What's up guys, I'm 24 here with another video, and today we're going to be using some fidget spinners. Let's get into it. So, we have a very special guest here, and he is, I don't know, oh, he's on the sofa. There. Okay. Wait a minute. Joe. I have an idea. Nearly. Guys, I'm like a pillar around his face. Let's do this. So, ready? 3, 2. Joe! We're gonna do that video about the fidget spinners.
Yeah, just let me get those.
Okay. Whilst he's getting dressed, let's go over here. So, yeah.
Right, Matt's all dressed. Let's do this.
Woohoo! So...
I took the blanket on the floor.
Oh, okay. So we got the fidget spinners. Let's just see what we have. We have a
Batman!
purple Batman fidget spinner.
You have this one.
We have a green original fidget spinner. That's
Black
quiet.
original fidget spinner.
Black original fidget spinner.
And this stick one.
And then we have a orange ball spinner.
I call it the stick spinner.
Well, it has balls, so it's ball spinner. So, yeah. We're going to be doing some stuff. So, first of all, we're going to have a
I've not really
kind of like a competition.
How do you use
So, is everything ready? Wait.
I get them myself.
Can you guys see me? Hi. Can you guys see that?
I can't really do the one.
Wait. Guys, we're having technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. So if I put it here, like so.
As you can see, I've been collecting Lego.
Can you guys see that? See the table? Oh my god. I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. We need something. Would that work? No? Yes? Yes, it would actually. Hello. Oh, no, the camera's slipping. So.
We're just having some difficulties here.
Alright. The camera won't stay up today.
Sorry guys, we're using an iPad.
Is it moving? Yes, it is moving. Why don't we just do that?
No.
That is still moving. Why don't we put this in the way?
It still moves.
Get a cup. Get the cup.
What cup?
The cup on the side. Sorry. Over there. We are having technical difficulties. So, technical difficulties in here. Alright, stay.
Stay.
And then we put this here.
Can you show me?
They can see. I think it's alright. If you just move these back here. Yeah, they can see it all. Alright guys, so like I said, we got the green original, black original, purple Batman, and orange ball spinner. Let's just give all these a shot. So there's that one. It doesn't move. There's that one. That is silent. got
This one used to be silent, but it's not more.
the Batman one. That is not silent whatsoever. I'm gonna try and get some
This one's
I can't say it. WD-40 on it. So
this is silent in the air.
This one's always silent.
This one's just silent
We
in
need
the
to
air.
make that one silent in the air. And then we need to make this silent, and we need to make that silent. That is the loudest one. I got this yesterday at the Riverside Fair. Link
And
down below. Did you go?
When I get my new fidget spinner.
We'll do a video on that.
Yeah, and mine looks at nice.
So, we're going to have a competition, see which one spins the longest. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. Can you guys see this? Oh my god. Let me just move this there. Oh, looks like the black one's stopping. Oh. Oh, the orange one's still going. Alright, let's stop it. So we all know which ones. So we got third place, we got fourth place. We got third place. We got second place. We got first place. So that's all we have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Did you enjoy it? Because I would love to do another one. It's up to you guys. We'll do another one when Joe gets here, but that's another time. So see you guys next time. Bye.